You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to schedule posts on Instagram. First, you need a professional account. Go to your profile, tap the three-line menu, then Settings, tap Account, then switch to Professional Account. Choose Creator or Business. Now to schedule a post, you can use the Instagram app directly or Meta Business Suite. In the Instagram app, create a post as usual. Tap the plus icon, select your content, add filters and captions. On the final screen before sharing, tap Advanced Settings at the bottom. Tap Schedule this post. Choose the date and time, then tap Done. Tap the back arrow, then tap Schedule to confirm. To manage scheduled posts, go to your profile, tap the three-line menu, then Scheduled Content. Here you can edit or cancel scheduled posts. Alternatively, use Meta Business Suite on desktop or mobile. Connect your Instagram account, then click Create Post. After crafting your post, click Schedule and set the time. Scheduling helps maintain a consistent presence. You can schedule posts up to 75 days in advance. Remember, you can only schedule feed posts and reels, not stories. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.